Okay, so this is the 430, what is it? 426B 3-burner. And I picked it up off of Marketplace or whatever. And I've rebuilt the generator. And I put some, I was having a leak right here at the tip also, but this manifold would catch on fire. So I've already pumped it up, and I'm gonna try to see what happens. I haven't tested it. Open it a little bit there. We'll see what happens. I don't have anything. I'm gonna try it again. So let's see if there's any gas leaking. Before this whole generator would go up. It was this, I mean the whole manifold would go up, but this is looking better. And I cleaned out the generator is pretty dirty. Yeah, I was having some fuel leakage. Yeah, fuel in there. See, I got fuel in that box area leaking out, it looks like. I see maybe that'll change. Hey, this is going a lot better. Don't have any fuel leaks around here. Yeah, we might be all, that might have been just the issue. Put the flame on there. Alright. So if you got, I was worried that the manifold back here, the J-tube, was defective or damaged, and yeah, it seems to be fine. It's just that the generator was really dirty. I cleaned that out pretty good. Okay, that's all on this one. So it seems to be functioning correctly. I put the little thing down and gave it a few more pumps. I've got 3 burners going, all with a good blue flame. I don't see any leaks anywhere. So run this for a little bit. Then we'll detail it, clean it up. I got a 3 burner died.